Hello everyone, welcome to the session number series 2. Number series 1లో మనం ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసాం అసలు ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఏంటి, అసలు టోటల్గా అర్థమెటికల్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఎలా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతాయి, నెక్స్ట్ బేసిక్ ఫండమెంటల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాం. ఓకే, సో అక్కడ మనకి ఏంటంటే ఎడిషన్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, డివిజన్, స్క్వేర్స్, స్క్వేర్ రూట్స్, క్యూబ్స్, క్యూబ్ రూట్స్, next prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, and miscellaneous, the combination of addition, subtraction, addition, multiplication, etc., etc., etc. But number series 1 video lo మనం డిస్కస్ చేసిన అన్ని కూడా సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ number series 2 అంటే లిటిల్ బిట్ డిఫికల్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈ వీడియోలో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ యాజ్ యూజువల్ every question వచ్చిన తర్వాత just pause your video, solve that question. After some time again start the video and observe my explanation. ఓకేనా? సో అది మీరు కంటిన్యూగా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్స్ ఎలా వినిస్తున్నారు అనుకోండి, దానివల్ల యూజ్ అయితే లేదు. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను కదా ప్యాటర్న్ ఎలా చేయాలని చెప్పి. ఏంటి ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఉంటారు చాలా మంది. ఏంటి ఫస్ట్ డే 2 different patterns, సెకండ్ డే అండ్ ద 2 different patterns, థర్డ్ డే in the 2 different patterns. But ఆ థర్డ్ డే ఏంటి ఆ 2 ప్యాటర్న్స్ కూడా ఫస్ట్ 4 ప్యాటర్న్స్ కి కోయిన్సైడ్ కాకూడదు, అంటే డిఫరెంట్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఉంటాయి. అలా చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత నేను ఏం చెప్పాను మీకు, 1 month కానీ చేస్తే యూ విల్ బి మాస్టర్ ఇన్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ నిన్న నెంబర్ సిరీస్ 1లో స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఉంటారు, ఆల్రెడీ 2 సిరీస్ కూడా మీరు చేసి ఉంటారు కదా. జస్ట్ క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమైనా సరే మీ థాట్ లో ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఓకే, లేకపోయినా నథింగ్ టు వరీ, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయండి, తర్వాత మీ ప్యాటర్న్ అది మాత్రం అలా కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. డెఫినెట్లీ యూ విల్ బికమ్ మాస్టర్స్ ఇన్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్. ఓకే, ఈ క్లాస్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం మనం. రైట్, జస్ట్ మూమెంట్. ఎస్, now what is the first question here? 0, 10, 24, 68, 120. See, ఈ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ లో నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన అన్ని కూడా లిటిల్ బిట్ డిఫికల్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ అప్రోచ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ థింక్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది బాక్స్. ఇక్కడ నెంబర్స్ ఏంటి మనకి 0, 10, 24, 68, 120. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్? మనం నిన్న ఒక ప్రొసీజర్ చేసాం నెంబర్ సిరీస్ 1లో. ఏంటది? ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ two numbers. Suppose the difference between 0 and 10. Example, 0, 10, 24, 68, 120. What is the difference? This is equal to 10 and this is equal to 14 and this is equal to 44 and this is equal to 52, etc. Is there any relation between these numbers? So this is equal to 4, this is 30 and this is equal to 8. Is there any relation? No. Ante enti ikkada the difference between two numbers is not satisfied. Now you think out of the box. So how to solve that one? That is important. Here 0, 10, 24, 68 and 120. So difference is not applicable. Next, either multiplication or squares or cubes, whatever it is. If you observe, numbers are, if you suppose, what about this number? 10 need to be a perfect square, 24 need to be a perfect square, 64 need to be a perfect square and a cube also, 120 it's near to the perfect square and perfect cube also. Perfect square 11 square minus 1, perfect cube 5 cube minus 5. Okay, and 0 near to the perfect square and perfect cube also. So now you apply squares or cubes combination and let us take this is equal to 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube minus 1. Why I take cube? What is the next number? That is equal to 10. Is not near to perfect cube. Here, what about this one? This is equal to 3 square minus 3 square plus 1 on that. 3 square plus 1. So Any possibility is there? No. So why? Because suppose if you take this one, this is 5 square minus 1. Here, 1 cube, let us take 1 square, suppose. 1 square minus 1, 3 square plus 1, 5 square minus 1. Suppose if you observe 1, 3, 5, what is the next? That is 7 square. 7 square plus 1 is equal to 50, but this is 68. So what about this technique? This technique is not applicable. This technique is not applicable. Now, what is the next place? That is important. What is the next place? Here, let us take this is equal to 1 cube minus 1. Suppose this is equal to, just a moment. Let us take this is equal to 1 cube minus 1. What about this one? This is equal to 2 square plus 2. Is it valid? So 2 cube. Okay, 1 cube minus 1. This is 2 cube plus 2. And what about this one? This is 3 cube minus 3. If you observe 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, what is the next one? That is equal to 4 cube. Here, 4 cube 64 plus 4, that is equal to 68 on it. And what is the next one? That must be 5 cube minus 5. That must be 5 cube minus 5. If you observe 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, what is the next one? That must be 6 cube on it. And what is the other number? This is minus 1, this is plus 2, this is minus 3, this is plus 4, minus 5. What is the next number? That number must be plus 6 on it. What is the 6 cube? That is equal to 216 plus 6. So what happened? This is equal to 222, which is option C is the correct answer. Okay. So first step, difference. Okay. If difference is failed, now you go to the, sorry. Just a moment. Yeah. Suppose if you check this first, the difference between two numbers, if suppose that is satisfied, then no issue. Otherwise, just go think out of the box. Okay, Nana? So what is the answer? That is 6 cube plus 6. So that is equal to 222, which is required answer. Is it clear? Next, 4, 9, 17, 35, 69, 277. And what is the answer? See, just to skip the first step. Why? Because all these questions are difficult questions. Okay. But in a general number series, first you solve you find the difference between the two numbers. But these questions are little bit difficult. That's why just to skip that step and go to the direct step. Okay, Nana? ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే 4, 9, 17, 35, 69 and fill the blank and 277. What is the answer? Now first observe, is there any relation between these two numbers? What is the relation between 4 and 9? This is equal to 4 into 2 plus 1 on it. Okay, what is the difference? That is equal to 4 into 2 plus 1, right? Okay. Is there any different relation between the 9 and 17? This is 9 into 2 minus 1 on that. What is the relation between 17 and 35? 17 into 2 plus 1 on that. Now, what is the relation between the 35 and 69? 35 into 2 minus 1, that is equal to 69 on that. And what is the next one? 69 into 2 plus 1. What is the 69 into 2? That is equal to 138. Okay. So 138 plus 1, 139, which is required also. Yeah. What is the series? Into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1. And what is the next one? Into 2 plus 1. So 69 into 2, 138 plus 1, that is 139, which is required answer. Is it clear, Nana? All of you? Right. Now just pause the video and solve the question. After that, just observe, just listen my explanation. It's a very simple question. What happened? 8, 16, 24, 48, 72, 144. Here 8 into 2, that is equal to 16. Okay. Now 16 into 1.5, that is equal to 24. Here 24 into 2, that is equal to 48. Here 48 into 1.5, that is equal to 72. And 72 into 2, that is equal to 144. And what is the next number? That next number should be 144 into 1.5. How to solve 144 into 1.5? That is equal to 144 into 1, 144. 144 into 0.5, that is 1 by 2. That is 72. So what is the answer? 216, option A is the correct answer. Is it clear? Here 8 into 2, 16 into 1.5. 24 into 2, 48 into 1.5. 72 into 2, 144. What is the required answer? 144 into 1.5. So that is equal to 216, which is required answer. Is it clear? Now go to the next one. Just to pause this video and solve the question. Is literally very difficult question, right? Because this is totally think out of the box question. So, okay. Now, 3147, 3461, 3807, etc. What is the answer here? See, this is 7. This is 7. This is 1. This is 8. How to get 7 to 1? Yes, suppose 7 plus 4, that is equal to 11. You will get the answer 1. 1 plus 6, that is equal to 7. Okay, so 7 plus 0, it's maybe equal to 7. Okay, next 5 plus here, how to get this one? That is important. Now, suppose if you add 3142, 3147, then what happens? Observe carefully here. 3147 plus 314. What is the answer? 7 plus 4, 1. This is equal to 6. 1 plus 3, 4. And 3 is the answer. So what happened? Here, thus you add 314 to this number. Now, what about this case? Just add these 3 digits. That means 345. Okay. That means 346. Just add 346 to that number. 3, 4, 6. 1 plus 6, 7. 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1. Yes, 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8, and 3. Satisfy the condition. Now you add 380. Here, tens place, 100 place, and thousands place. Add to that number. 7 plus 0, that is equal to 7. 8, and this is equal to 4, 1. Now you check whether this condition is satisfied or not. You need to add 418 to this number. 418. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 8, 5, 1, and 8 plus 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 4 plus 1, 6, and 4 is satisfied the condition. Suppose if you add 460 to this number, then what happened? 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 6, 6, 44, 46 plus 4, that is equal to 50. That means add tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place to that number, you will get the next term. Okay. Add tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place to the term is equal to second number. In the second number, add tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place to second number, you will get the third number, and so on. So what is the answer? 4187, option A is the correct answer. Is it clear, all of you? Now, so how to get this one? If you observe 6 and 7 consecutive numbers, 11 and 12 consecutive numbers, 18 and 19 consecutive numbers, 20 and 30 consecutive numbers, and 42 and 43 are consecutive numbers. Okay. But what is the difference between these two? 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 If you observe the difference between 7 and 11, this is equal to 4. The difference between 12 and 18, that is equal to 6. The difference between 19 and 29, that is equal to 10. And this is equal to 12. Now, any possibility is there? Yeah, this is equal to 12, equal to 10. And here, what happened? This is equal to 6, and this is equal to 4. So, there is no particular sequence. Suppose this is equal to 8 and this is equal to 6, then no issue. Why? Because 2, 6, 4, 8, sorry, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. But here, what happened? 4, 6, 10, etc. So, how to get the answer? So, this technique is failed. This technique is failed. Now, you will check any other possibility is there. In the number series question, we solve a different type of question, dual series or trial series. So let us check here, dual series is possible or not. 7, 12, 19, 30, and 43. Okay. In the same way, 6, 11, 11, 18, 18, 29, 29, 42. Now, what is that number? If you observe 7 and 12, this is equal to 5. 12 and 18, 77. Then this is equal to 11 and this is equal to 30. What is 5, 7, 11, 30? All are prime numbers. So, what is the lowest prime number which is nearer to 5? That is equal to 3 or not. So, what happened? 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Okay. Oh, sorry. 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. Here, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 11, 30. 30 plus 13, 43, which is satisfy the condition. But you check whether the other series also follow the same condition or other condition, but other series, the remaining numbers also follows a particular series. This is equal to 5, this is equal to 7, and this is equal to 11, and this is equal to 13. That means here, if you split this series into two series, even first series and second series both are follow the same condition. What is the condition? The difference between two numbers, that is a prime number. The difference between two numbers is a prime number. So what is the least number? That is equal to least prime number 2. But here 2 is not there. But what is the next prime number? That is equal to 3. Next prime number 5. Next prime number 7. Next prime number 11. Next prime number 13. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 4. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. See here, the very, very important point is ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా మీరు ఆ లాజిక్ క్రాక్ చేయగలిగారు. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ నేను మీకు ఒక ప్రొసీజర్ చెప్పాను. ఆ ప్రొసీజర్ కానీ మీరు ఫాలో అయినప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనం ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయగలం. ఎందుకంటే మనకు ఆ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఉన్నాయని ముందు తెలియాలి కదా. మనకు ఆ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఉన్నాయని తెలియాలని చెప్పి బుక్స్ చూసాను, బుక్స్ చూసి మనం బైహార్ట్ చేయడానికి లేదు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో. మీ ఓన్ గా మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఆ డిఫరెంట్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ యొక్క ఆ లాజికల్ ఎబిలిటీ అంటే మీకు ఆ ఆలోచన తెలుస్తుంది అన్నమాట. సో కంపల్సరీ నేను చెప్పిన ప్యాటర్న్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. విత్ ఇన్ 3 months లో you will become masters in number series, no doubt about it. Okay, now the next question is 43 dash 66 83 91 105 sorry, 106 and 123. What is the next number? What is the next number? See. Suppose if you want to find the first number or second number, it is little bit difficult. Okay, suppose fourth number or fifth number, that's okay. Now, just to cross check the difference between these two numbers. What is the difference? This is equal to 17, 13. This is equal to 17, right? And what about the difference between these two numbers? This is equal to 9 or 8. And what is the difference between these two numbers? This is equal to 15. And what is the difference between these two numbers? That is equal to 17. Any possibility is there? Here, 8, the difference between these two numbers is equal to 8. The difference between these two numbers is equal to 15. The difference between these two numbers, that is equal to 17. And the difference between these two numbers is equal to 17. Now, if you think wisely, the difference between second number and third number may be equal to 15, right? Because 8, 15, and 17 is there. That what happened? The difference between first number and second number must be 8. Then only this condition is satisfied. Now, suppose if you add 8 to this number, so this is equal to 51 on it. Then what happened? The difference between 43 and 51, that is equal to 8. The difference between 51 and 66, that is equal to 15. The difference between 66 and 83, that is equal to 17. Now, here 8, 15, and 17 is repeated. Okay, so this number is satisfy the condition. What is the answer? 51, which is correct answer. Here the sequence is the difference between two numbers, that is 8, 15, 17. 8, 15, 17, etc. Is it clear, all of you? Right. Next one. Next one. 4183, 4388, 4285, 4490 dash 4593. First, take the difference between these two numbers. Let us take it. This is equal to 5, this is equal to 0, and this is equal to 2. And what is the difference between these two? Here, 4183 plus 205, that is equal to 4388. And this is the smallest number. This is the largest number, right? And what is the difference? This is equal to 3, and this is equal to 0, and this is equal to 1. Now, what is the difference between these two numbers? This is equal to 5, and this is equal to 0, and this is equal to 2. If you observe, plus 205 minus 103 plus 205 minus 103. What is minus 103? 4490 minus 103. So this is equal to what happened? 7. Okay. And next, this is equal to 8, and this is equal to 3, and this is equal to 4. 4387. But the difference between this number and this number must be equal to 205. Then only this condition is applicable. Okay. Now, what is the difference between these two? So this is equal to 5, 0, 2. Okay. So this condition is also satisfied. When, if the question mark, this number is 4387, then the sequence is satisfied. So what is the answer? Option D is the correct answer. Is it clear, all of you? Right. 132, 396, 392, 1176, 1172, 3516. If you observe, there is a huge gap between these two numbers. There's a huge gap between these two numbers. And this is the smallest value. And this is the largest value. 132 here increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing. What is the decreasing? This is minus 4, and this is equal to minus 4. Right? And what happened? This one, this is 132 into 3, that is equal to 396. Here, now you check whether into 3 equal to 1176 or not. Here, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 9, 27, 7, 2, 3 into 3, 27. That is satisfied. It's a very simple question. Yeah. Here, 132 into 3, 396. 396 minus 4, that is equal to 392. 392 into 3, 1176. 1176 minus 4, that is equal to 1172. 1172 into 3. Now, let us check whether this number is satisfied the condition or not. 3, 2 times 6, 3, 7 times 21, 2, 3, 1 times 3 plus 2, 5, 3, 1 times 3. So that condition is also satisfied. Now, what is the last number? Here the sequence is into 3 minus 4 into 3 minus 4 into 3 minus 4. So what is the answer? 3512. Option C is the correct answer. Is it clear? 3516 minus 4, 3512, which is required answer. Okay. Now, come to the next question. 3, 7, 23, 36, 49. So what is the answer? C. 6 square and 7 square, that okay. But 3 and 7 is not a perfect square, but needed to perfect squares. 25 also needed to perfect square. This is 4 square minus 1. This is 3 square minus 2. Is it valid? Suppose. And 8 square minus 3 is not a valid. Okay. So how to solve this one? 3, 7, question mark, 23, 36, and 49. See, 36 and 49, these two are perfect squares. But what about the remaining numbers? Not a perfect square. Okay, so how to solve this one? Suppose this is equal to 2 square minus 1. This is 3 square minus 1. This is 5 square minus 2. But this is 6 square minus 0 and 7 square minus 0. So this technique is not applicable. Suppose cubes. This is 1 cube plus 2. This is 2 cube minus 1. And what about this one? That is needed to perfect square, not needed to perfect cube. So perfect cubes also not satisfy the condition. Now, any more cases are there? Suppose if you take 1 square plus 2, that is equal to 3, that is a valid. What is the 4? That is equal to 2 square plus 3, that is equal to 4. Okay, just skip this one. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us take 4 square plus 7. 4 square equals 16 plus 7. And what is the next one? 5 square plus 9 and 6 square plus 13 is 5 square plus 11. So 5 square plus 11, 6 square plus 13. If you observe, 2, 3, 7, 11, and 13 all are prime numbers. And what about the squares? 1 square, 2 square, 4 square, 5 square, 7 square. So what happened? The third number should be 3 square. You should add which number to this number? Here 2, 3. What is the next prime number? So that is equal to 5. 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubt, Nana? Right. Next one. 5, 6, 11, 22, 44, 88. Yeah. Actually, this is also simple question. As actual numbers is one la cheppali question. Here number 6, 2 lo cheptuna. See, another miscellaneous and important pattern is 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 5 plus 6 plus 11 plus 5 plus 6 plus 11 is equal to 22. 5 plus 6 equal to 11. 5 plus 6 plus 11 equal to 22. Yet 22 plus 22 is equal to 44. The sum of these three numbers is equal to 22 plus 22, that is equal to 44. Next, sum of these four numbers equal to 44 plus 44, that is equal to 88. What is the next one? Sum of these numbers plus 88. Okay, so what happened? 88 plus 88, right? 88 plus 8 or plus 88 or 88 into 2, whatever it is, that is equal to 176. Option D is the correct answer. Is it clear? Here, this is another important one. Here, sum of two numbers, sum of three numbers, right? Sum of four numbers, etc. Here, what happened? Here, the sum of first and second numbers 11, the sum of first three numbers 22, the sum of first four numbers 44, the sum of first five numbers 88, the sum of first six numbers, that is equal to 176, which is required answer. Is it clear? Now, right, 0, 10, 6, 68, and 20. So what is the answer? Here, drastic change is there. 0, 6, 20, suppose, and 10 and 68. Suppose if you split this series into two parts, dual series, 0, 6, 20, that is one series, and 10 and 68, that is the another series. Is it valid? Only two numbers, how is it possible here? It's not possible, right? Now, any more possibilities are there? 10 nearer to a perfect square, 68 is also nearer to a perfect square. That means 8 square plus 4, etc. Let us check. 20 is also perfect square, 4 square plus 4, or 5 square minus 5. 6 also 2 square plus 2. That is also valid. What is the 10? 3 square plus 3. Okay, or 2 cube plus 2. So, what is the answer? Here. This is 2 cube plus 2. This is 2 square minus 2. 2 square plus 2, right? This is 4 square plus 4. 4 cube plus 4. And this is 4 square plus 4. Right? 2 cube plus 2. 2 square plus 2. 4 cube plus 4. 4 cube. 4 square plus 4. And what about this one? Let us take 1 cube or 1 square plus 0 is not a valid, right? Let us take 1 square minus 1. Here 2 square, 2 cube plus 2. And what about this one? 2 square plus 2. Yeah, this is 4 square plus 4. So, not a valid. Okay, not is in the sequence. So, what happened? What is the other case? Let us take cubes, squares. What happened? One square minus 1, 2 cube plus 2, 3 square minus 3, 4 cube plus 4. Yes, 5 square minus 5. Excellent. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 square minus 1. 2 square, 2 cube plus 2. 3 square minus 1. 4 cube plus 4. 5 square minus 1. What is the next one? 6 square, 6 cube plus 6. What is the 6 cube? 216. What is the 6? So, what is the answer? 2, 2, 2. Option E is the correct answer. C. 1 square minus 1. 2 cube plus 2. 3 square minus 3. 4 cube plus 4. 5 square minus 5. 6 cube plus 6. So, what is the answer? Answer is equal to 220. All right. C. Suppose fractions are there. Nothing to worry. Don't treat or don't simplify these terms. ఇప్పుడు కూడా అలా ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఇచ్చిన ఎస్పెషల్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ లో దాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేయడం మాత్రం ట్రై చేయకండి. ఓకేనా? సో now we check any possibility is there, any relation among either numerator or in a denominator or cross multiplication or etc. Any relation, you need to identify the one. 2, 3, 4, 8. First, suppose if you take numerators. 2, the difference is 2, difference is that is equal to 7, and the difference is 26. Any valid is there? Any? Numerator 2, 4, 11, 37, etc. So, how to solve this one? In relation is there. Let us take first one, 2 into 1 plus 2, 4 into 2 plus 3, 11 into 3 plus 4. Yes. 2 into 1 plus 2, 4. 4 into 2 plus 3, 11. 11 into 3 plus 4, 37. And what is the next one? 37 into 4 plus 5. What is the 27? 37 into 4? 37 into 2, 74. 74 plus 1, 158. 158 plus 5, 148 plus 5, 153. That is the answer. And what is the denominator? What is the denominator? So, 3, 8, 18. So, into 2 is a valid. Any possibility is there? 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 into 2 plus 2, that is equal to 8. And what is the next one? 8 into 2 plus 2, 16. 18 into 2 plus 2, that is equal to 38. 38 into 2 plus 2, so there is 76 plus 78 is the answer. C. In the numerator, into 1 plus 2, into 2 plus 3, into 3 plus 4, into 4 plus 5. And what is the denominator? Into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 2. So what is the answer? In the numerator, the value is equal to 153. And what is the denominator? The denominator value is equal to 78. That is the answer. Is it clear? Yeah. Next, 18, 30, 55, 84, and what is the next number? 36. See, if you take the difference is equal to 12, the difference is equal to 25, and what is the difference? 60, 24 plus 5, this is equal to 29. 12, 25, 29. Any relation among these three numbers? No. Now you go to the next case. Any other possibility is there? Now you choose any other possibility is there. 18. So difference is not satisfying. What next? Multiplication part. What is the multiplication part? Suppose this is equal to 2 into 9. That is equal to 19. And what about this one? This is 3 into 10 is a valid. And what about 55? This is 5 into 11. 9, 10, 11, next to 12, or 12 into 7. If you observe, yes, if you observe 9, 10, 11, 12, what is the next one? That is equal to 13. And what is the multiplier? That is 2, 3, 5, and 7. If you observe 2, 3, 5, 7, all are prime numbers. What is the next prime number? That is equal to 11. 11, 13 times, that is equal to 143, which is required answer. Is it clear? See, if you observe, the product of two numbers, multipliers should be consecutive numbers, multiplicand should be a prime number. Okay, Nana? It's very simple, but 4, 6, 10, 18, 60, 36, 64, etc. The difference is 2, difference is 4, difference is 8, difference is 16, the difference is 32. And what is the next difference? Must be 64. Okay, so 60 plus 6 plus 64, that 66 plus 64, that is equal to 130. Here, option A and option E also represents 130. And what next? Negative or positive. First minus negative value. Next positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. What is the next one? Should be negative. What is the negative value? That is equal to 130. Option E is the correct answer. It's a little bit easy, but confuse matter. ఎందుకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం? అండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ కూడా 30 ఉంది. ఓకే, ఇయర్ నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సో మనం చాలా కేర్ఫుల్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Yeah. See, suppose the first number is the largest number. First number is the largest number. Then you need to find out the answer from the right end. ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ లార్జెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఉందనుకోండి, మన చెడుకి కష్టం అవుతుంది. సో ఏం చేస్తారు? లాస్ట్ నెంబర్స్ రండి, మన ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, తెలియదు. సో వాట్ హ్యాపన్స్? 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 49 into 7 is equal to 343. 343 into 7, right? Here 7 power 1. Here no need to find the answer. Here this is equal to 1. 7 square, 7 cube, 7 to the power of 4. What is the 7 to the power of 4? 343 into 7, right? This is equal to 1. This is 28. This is equal to 0. And 21 plus 3, that is equal to 24. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 2401, which is required answer. Okay, 7 power 1, 7 square, 7 cube, 7 power 4, etc. మీరు ఒకటే గుర్తుంచుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ లార్జెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అయ్యింది అంటే ఏం చేస్తారు? జస్ట్ గో టు ద లాస్ట్ నెంబర్, అక్కడి నుంచి క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకున్నాం, అప్పుడు మీకు ఈజీ. ఓకే, సపోజ్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ మేనర్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్. Suppose values are decreasing manner starting from the last number. That's it. Next, 9, 20, 43, 91, 189, and what is the next one? 9, 20, 43, 91, 189. What is the next one? Suppose if you take difference, then what happened? The difference is 11 and the difference is 17 and the difference is the largest number. Okay, 43, 86 plus 5, that is equal to 48. So there is no relation among that difference. Okay, now choose any more possibilities out there. Here 9, 20, 43, etc. Is there any relation between the first number and the second number? 9 and 20. First one is difference. And next, first one is 3 square and second one is 5 square minus 5. But third one is not a perfect square. So that technique also failed. Now, what is the relation between first number and second number? If you observe, 9 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 20. That is also value. Okay. Now, what is the relation between the second one and third one? This is equal to 20 into 2 plus 3. If you observe, 9 into 2, 20 into 2. Now, you check whether 48 into 2 is equal to 86 plus 5. If you observe, here 2, here 3, here 5. What is the relation among 2, 3, and 5 odd or prime numbers? That means into 2 plus prime number. into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 3, into 2 plus 5. Now into 2 is plus 7, right? Into 2 equal to 182. 182 plus 7, 189. Now what happened? Into 2 plus what is the next prime number? That is equal to 11. So 189 into 2. 190 into 2, 380. Okay, 380 plus 9, 389. How will you get 380 plus 9? No need to subtract 2 and again add 11 to that number. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారంటే 2 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి 11 చేసి అలా చేయకండి. ఇక్కడ సపోజ్ ఇదేంటి రౌండెడ్ నెంబర్ అయింది ఒకటి 190 ఇంటూ 2 ఎంత 380. ఓకే, -2 చేయొద్దు. ఇక జస్ట్ యాడ్ ఆ -2 అనేది 11 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసేయండి. అప్పుడు మనకి ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో 190 into 2, 380. Instead of 11, just add 9. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is 389. Yeah, 101, 4 9s, etc. See, it's easy, not a difficult task. This is 10 square plus 1. This is the 100 square minus 1. 100 square equal to 10,000, right? And what is the next one? 1000 square plus 1. And what is the next one? 10,000 square minus 1. And what is the next one? 1 lakh square plus 1. So what happened? What is the 1 lakh square plus 1? Here how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here how many zeros are required? 10 zeros. 9 zeros and 1. You add 1, right? Here suppose this one. Here, what is the 1 lakh square? 1 and 10 zeros. 1 and 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 1. Not next one. Okay. And if suppose 100 plus 1 is equal to, what is the answer? 101 or 1001? What is the answer? 101 or not? In the same way, 1 lakh plus 1 is equal to unit digit should be 1. And what is the answer? Answer is option C, not option. Okay. Okay, మీరు ఆప్షన్ బి అని ఎప్పుడు మార్క్ చేయగలరు? 100 plus 1 equal to 1001 అయితే అప్పుడు అది కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు కదా. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే జస్ట్ యాడ్ 1 in the unit place. So what is the answer? Option C is the correct answer. Okay, this is the simple question, but అక్కడ మనకు ఐడియా స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వాలి అంతే, అంత మించి ఇంకేం లేదు. Yeah, a very simple question. Never expect such type of questions. All right, other prime numbers, right? 2, 3, 5, 7. What is the next number? That is equal to 11. మీ ఎగ్జామ్ లో కూడా ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ రావని కోరుకోరు. ఎందుకు కోరుకోవద్దంటే మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి అనుకోండి, ఏం చేస్తారు? అది అందరికీ మార్కులు వస్తాయి. అక్కడ మీకేంటి, మీరు వాళ్ళకి డిఫరెంట్గా ఉండాలి అంటే ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్ చాలా డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉన్నా కోరుకో. బట్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినప్పుడు మాత్రం, మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకుండా ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్ డిఫికల్ట్ అన్నారనుకోండి, అక్కడ మనకి కష్టం. ఎందుకంటే మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ క్లాస్లో, మీకు ఇంట్రడక్షన్ వీడియోలో నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. ఒకవేళ మీరు ఏదైనా రాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్ అప్లై చేశారు అంటే పెనాల్టీ, మీకు వచ్చిన మార్కుల్లో కూడా 0.25 మార్క్స్ ఎగిరిపోతాయి. ఓకేనా? అది మాత్రం మీ మైండ్లో పెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, సో అందుకే ఫేక్ ఆన్సర్స్ కానీ అలాంటి అస్సలు చేయండి. మీరు ఎంతవరకు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉంటే అంతవరకు చేయండి. దట్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్ డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉన్నా కోరుకోండి చాలు. అది అప్పుడు మీరేంటంటే అక్కడ కుములేటివ్ వాల్యూస్ కాబట్టి అక్కడ మీకు ఛాన్స్, పర్సంటైల్ కాబట్టి. ఓకేనా? Again, fractions. 2, 2 by 9, 8 by 15, 22 by 33, 68 by 63, etc. So, what is the relation among numerators and among the denominators? Among numerators and among denominators. So, ikkada ela telustundi manaki? What is the relation in the numerator? Suppose, just I want to change the color. Right. 2 into 2 plus 2. Is it valid? No. 2 into 3 plus 2. Is it valid? Yes. What is the relation between these two numbers? 8 into 3 minus 2. What is the relation between these two numbers? 28 into 3 plus 2. Oh, sorry, 22, right? 22 into 3 plus 2. Just a moment. Here, 2 into 3 plus 2, 8 into 3 minus 2, 22 into 3 plus 2. What is the next one? 68 into 3 minus 2 on it. So how to solve 68 into 3? Just what is the nearest rounded number of 60? That is equal to 70, right? 3 into 70, 210. Minus 6, 204. Minus 2, 202. Of this, which option is 202? That is answer. You need to find the denominator also, but you need to, at the practice stage, you need to identify the denominator relation also. What is the relation between 9 and 50? Suppose 9 into 2, 18 minus 3, that equals 15. Now 15 into 2 plus 3, 15 into 2, 30, 30 plus 3, 33. Next 33 into 2 minus 3, 66 minus 3, 66. Next 63 into 2 plus 3. So what happened? 126 plus 3, that is equal to 129, which is required answer. Okay, but examinations అయితే మాత్రం ఒక న్యూమరేటర్ మీకు వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఏ న్యూమరేటర్ సేమ్ వాల్యూ లేదంటే నో నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద డినామినేటర్. అదేంటంటే మీకు ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అంతా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మీకు ప్రీవియస్ ఆస్క్ క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ పేపర్ చేయిస్తాను. ప్రాక్టీస్ పేపర్ వీడియోస్ చెప్పినప్పుడు అక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఆప్షన్స్ ఎలా ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి అవన్నీ కూడా నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. బట్ ఇప్పుడు మాత్రం ఏంటంటే మీరు కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద మాత్రం ఫోకస్ చేయండి, కాన్సెప్ట్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి మాత్రమే ఫోకస్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, ఎస్, టోటలీ థింక్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది బాక్స్. 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100. What is the next one? Suppose difference. What is the difference? 1, next 4, next 5, next 10, next 40, next 50, 30, 50. It's not a value. Actually, it's a little bit different. But the answer is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees. All are denominations. అంతే కదా. ఇక మనకి ఏంటంటే మన రూపీ వాల్యూస్ అంటే మనకి 1 రూపీ ఉంటుంది, 2 రూపీస్ ఉంటుంది, 5 రూపీస్ ఉంటుంది, 10 ఉంటుంది, 20 ఉంటుంది, 50 ఉంటుంది, 100 ఉంటుంది. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్? దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 200. దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 200. యాక్చువల్గా 200 ఆప్షన్ ఉండాలి, ఇక 200 ఆప్షన్ లేదు. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్? 200. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ డినామినేషన్? దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 500. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ డినామినేషన్? 2000. ప్రెసెంట్ 2000 బ్యాన్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి సో దీని గురించి అయితే ఆలోచించక్కర్లే. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ 200. బట్ హియర్ 200 ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. ఓకేనా? సో 100 తో 200 తర్వాత ఇవ్వాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ ఇది. ఓకే, క్వశ్చన్ చిన్న మిస్టేక్ అంతే, నథింగ్ టు వరీ. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? జస్ట్ డినామినేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది అవర్ మనీ. నెక్స్ట్ 7, 9, 3, 1. 7, 9, 3, 1. So how to solve this? 7, 9, 3, 1. It's also a little bit difficult. Suppose if you take a difference, then what happened? Up and down values. Suppose if you take up and down values, dual series. If I suppose dual series, 7, 3, 9, 1. What is the next number? ఆ డ్యూయల్ సిరీస్ ఎప్పుడైనా మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలని అంటే అట్ మినిమం 8 నెంబర్స్. ఓకే, 7 or 8 నెంబర్స్ ఉంటేనే వెయిట్, బట్ ఓన్లీ 3 or 4 నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే ఎప్పుడు డ్యూయల్ సిరీస్ వెళ్ళదు. ఓకేనా? నౌ వాట్ ఇస్ ద అదర్ కేస్? Uh, 7 into 9 is equal to 63. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. Is it valid? Here, that is equal to 3 is there. Now, what happened? So, This is also not a value. Now, if you observe 7 into 1, they got 7. 7 into 7, that is equal to 49. Yet 9 is there. Okay. 9 into 7, that is equal to 63. Here 3 is there. Okay. Next, 3 into 7, that is equal to 21. 1 is there. Next, 1 into 7, that is equal to 7. What is the answer? Option E is the correct answer. That's it. This is the different question. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మీకు అందుకే చెప్పాను, మీ థింకింగ్ ఎబిలిటీ ఎంత బ్రాడ్గా ఉంటుందో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అని సాల్వ్ చేయగలరు. అది లేదనుకోండి, మన చెప్పింది అయిపోయింది కదా, తర్వాత మీకు ఏంటంటే జస్ట్ 1 or 2 months తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఈ వీడియో చూడకపోతే ఇవన్నీ మర్చిపోతారు. ఓకే, సో ఈ వీడియోస్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. నెక్స్ట్ నేను చెప్పిన ఎక్సర్సైజ్ మాత్రం చేస్తుండాలి, అప్పుడే మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ఎస్పెషల్లీ నెంబర్ సిరీస్, నెంబర్ అనాలజీ, క్లాసిఫికేషన్, ఆడ్ అండ్ అవుట్, కోడింగ్ డీకోడింగ్, letter series, etc. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is 7. Next, 11, 21, 41, 81, 61. What is the next one? This is also a little bit different question. What is the 11 square 121? What is the 21 square 441? That means the last 2 digits of this square. Last 2 digits of the square. What is the next one? 81 square. What is the 81 square? So just add 81 into 81. So this is equal to 1, 8 plus 8, 16, 6. So 61 is the answer. No need to multiply entire number. What is the next one? 61 square. 61 into 1, 61. This is 1, 6 plus 6, 12. So 21. Option B is the answer. No need to multiply entire number. That means tens place and unit place of the square of the previous number. That is the answer. Okay, ఇది ప్రీవియస్ వన్స్ చేయకపోతే మాత్రం ఎవరికైనా సరే కష్టం అవుతుంది. బట్ ఏంటంటే ఈ లాజిక్స్ అనేది డెవలప్ చేసుకోవడం చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14. Next number 15, right? What is the next number? 15. How to get 50? 14, 15, 10, 11, 6, 7, 2, 3, satisfy the condition. But what about 1, 1? Okay, suppose if you apply this logic and the first 2 numbers, this is not satisfied. So this condition is failed. It's a very difficult question. See, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. What are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 4, 3. This is 2, okay, and this is equal to 6, and this is equal to 7, and this is equal to 10, this is equal to 11, and what is the next one? 23 minus 9, 14, and what is the next one? 29 plus 10, so 19. Option B is the correct answer. That means consecutive prime numbers minus consecutive natural numbers. Okay, if you observe all are consecutive prime numbers or not. If you observe all are consecutive natural numbers or not. Okay, so you will get 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, and 19. What is the answer? 19 is the correct answer. Is it clear, all of you? Yes, this is about the number series. Okay, ఇది అయిన తర్వాత నేను 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాను. ఆ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసి వాటి ఆన్సర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం ఏంటంటే ఆడ్ మెన్ అవుట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, నెంబర్ సిరీస్ చేస్తాం. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్. ఇచ్చిన సీక్వెన్స్ లో ఏదో ఒక రాంగ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ రాంగ్ నెంబర్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ ద ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్, just note down this question and solve the question, all of you. 8.43 dash 9.49 10.22 10.55 11.28. Okay, what is the question mark? Next, mixed fractions. 0, 23 1/4, 66 1/2. What is the next number? Here only 3 numbers are there. Okay, difference అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ రాదు. 3 numbers ఉంటాయి, ఏదో ఒక లాజిక్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ లాజిక్ ఏంటో మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలగాలి. ఓకేనా? ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్. 13, 30, 66, 140 dash 592. Next, 3, 20, 78, 332 and 60, 80. Next, 17, 9, 10 dash 35 and 90. మీరు జస్ట్ ఆ వీడియో పాస్ చేయండి, ఆ సాల్వ్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వెళ్ళిపోండి. ఓకేనా? రైట్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. విల్ మీట్ అగైన్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. థ్యాంక్ యూ. బాయ్.